Hey everybody, welcome. I'm going to show you how to find SEO optimized keywords for your podcast. So if you're looking to basically do SEO based social media, this is one of the best tools out there. It's called Glimpse. It's a Chrome extension. I'll put my affiliate link below. You can just download it. It's free. You get like 10 searches a month and it's really powerful. And what it does, it sits on top of Google Trends and basically supercharges Google Trends. So I'm here with Beverly and she's launching a podcast and she's like, what type of topics should I talk about? Or like, what are the subjects that I should talk about on my podcast? And so she talks a lot about essential oils. So I'll type in essential oils. Now, again, this is essentially just Google Trends, but on steroids. Okay. So type that in, click search, and it's going to take me to the kind of the normal Google Trends interface. And it's going to actually give me, though, more things that Google Trends doesn't give you. You see these glimpse optimized trend reports. And so if we just look up here, Beverly, it's actually a great time to be in essential oils because look, been this huge spike in interest in essential oils. Now, what it gives you down here, Beverly, is it gives you the other what are called related keywords or people also searched for. So essential oils is at the beginning, but then this is how frequently they're searching other things related to it. And so you could either go by questions, and these would be things that you would want to then, actually talk about on your podcast, Beverly. So what essential oils are safe for cats? Like, who would think that? But that's actually trending on Google, and we've discovered it here through this Glimpse tool. There's things like attributes, so it's like not the exact keyword, but things that are related to it. So you might want to talk about essential oils diffusers or essential oils for hair growth or anxiety. So this all screen is going to give you based on the popularity of it, and then you can select by channel too. So if you're going to be putting this on YouTube, you could actually do it. What are the YouTube specific keywords, and that might differ from what's popular like on Google. You can also search up here if you're on the Google one because it gives you more things on keyword difficulty or competition or growth. So sometimes growth is really a good one to look at because it's showing you what's trending or, it's like kind of sometimes hard to get on the top of things that already have a lot of competition, but maybe there's this new oil that came out or this new brand that came out and the growth tab allows you to track what ones are like rising, right? So look at this one, Revive Essential Oils. That one's like all of a sudden taking off. Or Essential Oils Pure. So these may be different brands. Okay. So that's one thing. You can look at related trends here where it's most popular. So it actually looks like, Beverly, Facebook is where most people are actually searching right now for essential oils, which kind of makes sense. It kind of checks out, right? Okay, we come down here. This is Google Trends usually will give you this, but Google Trends doesn't give you this. This is the topic map. And I really like looking at this one. So I can go full screen here and it will show me essential oils. And that's really the largest keyword. But then around this, there's these other ones, right? So there's these other ones. This is just kind of like the trend. It's just a different view of it. And it will show you like, other kind of related terms. And the size of it relates to the total search volume. Okay. So that's a really cool view. You scroll down a little bit more, Google Trends will give you something like this too, but is a little bit more detailed. And then what I love about this about it is it just gives you like all these different related keywords, that are just off and kind of tangential, but still related to our key topic. And so, it's essentially Google Trends, but it just gives you so much more information than just like the regular Google Trends dashboard. So you can use it at the free level. You get like 10 free searches a month. I'll put my affiliate link below if you want to try it out for yourself. And then if you're creating videos on social media, it's just a really, really awesome tool to use. And if you want a more detailed breakdown, you can come to my free course on the Great Discovery. It's called SEO for Social Media for Beginners using keywords on YouTube and Google. And in this course, I give a deeper dive into the Glimpse tool, show you some more examples, walk you through it a little bit more. And this is a totally 100% free course. And I'll also put that down below in the description of this video.